Okay, guys. So everything is good now.
Yeah. You can go
Okay.
ahead.
Good.
You are ready.
Okay, good.
All are perfect way.
Good.
We are ready now. We can continue. Yeah.
Good. So nice, friend. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's move on and we will understand. So let's do the postmortem about what our handler mapper, right? So good. Okay, just think about that. Okay. So whenever we will write the controller, okay, guys. So just think about that handler mapper, right? This is the handler mapper. Okay. So handler mapper. Okay, this is the handler mapper. Okay, so what will happen now? So whenever we are making the request, right, whenever we are making that request will become what? Key. Whenever we will make the request, right, that request will become key, right? Okay. Like what is that? We are taking the path, right? Path plus what is that? HTTP method. HTTP, what is that? HTTP method.
HTTP.
Yeah, HTTP method, right? Which kind of methodology we are using to make the request, right? Just we seen that get type, post type, put type. So that is that if that get delete, all those are methodology only, right? Those things is a methodology. But what is that? If we want to reach any controller, what we have, just think about that in the normal life only, guys. Okay. So on that day when I was not taking the session, means last Sunday, right? So what was happened now on that day? Why I did not take in the session? Because I have need to come my hometown, right? So if I don't know my hometown address, then I can reach my hometown now. Come on.
No, Ravi, no. Without
No,
path,
No.
we can.
So same like only, guys, same like path is nothing in the web application also. If we don't know URL of our Facebook, if we don't know www dot what is that facebook.com, then we can open our we can log in our Facebook now. Come on, if we just think about that, if we don't know what is that our HTTP means what is that www dot Facebook, we can reach our Facebook application.
Yes.
Yes. Who's that?
No, Ravi, no.
No, nah. So that is nothing but what, guys? Path only, right?
Yes.
www.facebook.com is nothing but domain name is nothing but what? Our path, right? Come on.
Path. Yes.
Yeah. So, but what kind of request we are making now? First, what using URL bar? What we are doing now? www.facebook.com means what get type methodology we are using or not, guys?
Get request.
Git type, yeah.
Get type.
That's good.
We don't know. See this normal individual, we are the software of engineer, right? Because of that we are know that, right? Whenever we are Facebook, you are means what is that facebook.com we are using, and whenever we are hitting the enter button, at the time request kind of request is going to our server now, right? We know that, but other people don't know. I'm not talking about others, but I'm talking about ours, right? Because we are the software engineer and we know that methodology means what is that good get post put delete put all those methodology, we know that, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yes, Ravi, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know that.
So good. So same things only, guys. Okay, so means what is that? HTTP methodology is nothing but what? Get methodology we are using, plus what is that? Path is nothing but our application URL. Our application URL is nothing but what, guys? Our application means what is that? Our whatever our controller we are writing in that controller, just web application URL, that is nothing but what? Path, guys. Okay, path. That information will store in the handler mapper in the key format, right? In the key format. And we know that in the Java, in the what is that? Map collection, right? Map collection, key is a not duplicate but value is a duplicate. This is the slogan, is there or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Good.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Good. So same thing is following our what? Handler mapper also. And what is that? Value is nothing but what? Values is nothing but what, guys? Our controller class, right? Our class information plus what is that? method information.
Method information.
Yes, class information plus
Method information.
method information, class information and method information. Okay, so
Method
like
information.
okay, so these things will store in the handler mapper as a what? Key format, right? Key and a value format. Good, very good. So now, okay, so let's move on. Okay,
Key
and
value format. Yes.
yes, compared to Spring, guys, I'm giving too much clarity in Spring Boot, right? Spring Boot MVC. Okay, so please come focus on that. Okay, focus on that this area. Each and everything I'm explaining here. Okay, so now good. So okay, good guys. So what
Sure,
is
Ravi.
that?
Sure.
So just think about that. Our controller is there, right? Yeah. Then what is that? Our value will store in the our application, right? Here, come here in the diagram. Okay, just I said right. This is the develop controller, right? So in the application, it's not meaning that only one controller will there, guys. Okay. So just think about that. What our EMP? What is that? Employee controller is there. Employee what? Employee
Yes.
controller.
Employee controller.
Employee controller plus what is that? We are saving the data. Just think about that. If we have need to save the data, then what is that? We will take the save method, right? Save method. This method information means what is that? In the handler mapper, what is that? Save method information plus what is that? Class name information will store as a what? Value. And another one is what now, guys? Another one is what now? Just think about that. We are in our application product controller also there. Product controller also there, right? Product controller, inside that product controller, what we have need to generate what? Excel sheet, right? We have need to Excel sheet. So what we export, right? Export concept, right? We are writing one method, that is the export method, right? So that information, that method information plus what? Class information will store inside that what? Our what? Handler mapper now, guys, as a value, right? Okay, good. So but what is that? From the browser, right? From the browser, see this here, facebook.com we are making, right? But what is that? From the browser, what kind of request we are going to make it for the employee? Just think about that. The employee path is there, right? Employee URL, we are specify the employee UI like /emp plus what is the save means what is that? This method is there, right? So that method, what is that? URL we are taking save. And what is that? Application URL means what is that? Our employee controller URL we are taking, what is that? Employee. After then, which kind of methodology we are using now? Save, right? Save means save for the which kind of methodology we will take? Post, right, guys? Post or not? Come on. If we want to means what is that?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Post means what? Form data. We are sending
Right.
this form data, right? So this form data is going as what? Post only, right? If we are not taking the post, right, then what is that? Username and password will show here or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay.
Correct, Ravi,
Using.
Okay, so means what is that? URL plus what is that? Methodology type will become what? Our key in the handler mapper, right? In the handler mapper. Okay, now good. So same like what is that? So here what is that? Product plus what is that? Export, right? Export plus what is that? So to generate what is that? Our Excel sheet. So we are giving the end user what? Link, guys. Okay, so whenever
Git.
so whenever our end user will click on that link, then what will happen now? Our Excel sheet data will generate, right? Our Excel sheet data will generate. So for that, which kind of methodology now, guys? Come on.
Git.
Plus get type, right?
Get Ravi.
Yeah, this information will be there in the handler mapper now, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yes,
Good,
Ravi.
good,
Yes.
clear.
Yes, Ravi. This is clear.
Okay, guys, good. So don't worry. Now we are going to start. What is that? Practical only. Okay, whenever we will do the practical at the time, what? Total clear, total whatever our theory explanation is going on, guys. Okay, each and everything I will show you. Okay, each and everything I will show you, and I am that much confident. And if you people put our 100% effort, then you people also will get what? That much confident. And it's my challenge. If you are the true right with yourself only, definitely no one interview. In interview, definitely you will crack that kind of questions, right? Answer definitely you people will give, because see, I'm giving too much clarity in the diagram, using the diagram flow and all those things now. Okay, so good. So Spring Web dependency will add. Okay, so whenever we will develop the application now, guys. Okay, whenever we will develop one application, then what we will do now? We will add one. What is that dependency, right? With what is that? What dependency we will add now? From here onward, we are going to prepare one application, normal application, guys. Okay, normal application now. Okay, so
Yes, Ravi. Please go ahead.
okay, so what is that?
As of now, all clear, Ravi. Very well.
Okay, so see this here now, guys. So what is that? What is that? See this. Okay. So Spring MVC to water in our pom.xml. What is that? We have need to add. What is that? One web dependency. Web dependency, right? Dependency will, what is that? Will be added, right? Will be added to what? Our application now. Our project, right? Project in what? Pom dot what? XML, guys. Okay, pom.xml. So what is the dependency now? What is the dependency now? Let's come to here. Okay, what is the dependency now? Let's come to here. What is that? Spring Boot web starter, right? Don't worry, just explanation I'm giving. Okay, at the time of creation, right, this dependency will come by default only. Okay, so this dependency we will add in what? In our application now, guys. Okay, this dependency, what we will do now? We will add in what? Our application now. Okay, so based on whenever we will add this dependency now, guys. Okay, so what will happen now? Because of this dependency inside that, what is that? Auto configuration concept is there, right? Auto configuration, because of that we don't have need what? We don't have need to what? Configure this what? Front controller. By default auto configure, it's come to at the auto configure mode, right? This front controller will come to as what? Auto configure mode now. Okay, good. So fine now, guys, but what is that? But here, see this work. Okay, so we know that. How many people know that? In that, just think about that. Servlet container name is what, guys? Anyone can tell? Servlet container. Servlet container name, anyone can tell? What is the name of servlet container?
Catalina.
Catalina, Ravi. Catalina.
Good. And same like guys, what? Same like, what is that? The GSP container name, anyone can tell?
Jasper, Ravi.
Yes.
Jasper.
Yes, good. So okay. So but whenever we are using a Spring Boot, guys, okay, whenever we are using the Spring Boot, right? So the view page we are using, what is that here? What we are using now? View page we are going to use, what is that? JSP, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so same like, okay, so here what is that? Front controller servlet dispatcher. For the servlet dispatcher, whenever we will add this dependency, right? So at that time, what is that? Servlet container Catalina servlet container Catalina will add, but what is that? Jasper will not add, guys. Okay, Jasper container will not add until unless Jasper container will not, and if not there, then we can't able to run our JSP page or not, guys. Come on. If see this, if what is that? If inside that, what is that? Two person is there, just think about that. Normal, this is a silly example I'm giving. Okay, so what is that? Just think about that. If two person is there, in one person heart already there, then that person will dance, right? But if in another person, right, until unless if we not put their heart right inside that, then what will happen? Then that person will die. In that person there is no what is that? Any like what? uh, just think about that person will not roam and even that person will not dance, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Yes.
And when the person will dance, when that person heart, we will fit it, right? Okay,
Yes.
then and normal. Just think about that two toys there, right? Two toys there, and both toy is running with what using what sail, and one ad also is there, na, in the like whenever we are watching the TV, and the Duracell is there, right? Duracell ad is there, right? Until unless that Duracell power is there, the what
Yes,
that doll is dancing like anything. But whenever what the like what no 1 minute, something like that one ad is there, guys. Okay, so no, the like what is that local cell, when the in the doll the people are using local cell, that's just 5 to 10 minutes only the doll will dance. Okay, whenever they are putting the Duracell, right, the doll is dancing like anything. Okay, so same like, okay, so here what will happen now? Yeah, so what will happen now here also? See, this view page is there, right? So means what? Here just think about that. Here servlet container is there, right? Servlet container is there. Because of that this dispatcher servlet is running. But here what is that? GSP container, what is that? Not added in the application. Because of that, if we run the application, then what we will get now? We will get the error. So to resolve that error, what we will add it now, guys? One dependency we will add. So to give the power of what? GSP, right? A GSP, then GSP page also will become powerful, right? And then the GSP page will start our what? Dancing. Okay, so same like, okay, so that GSP page, to run that GSP page, we will add what is that? One dependency. Then that dependency internally add what? Our Jasper container in our application now, guys. Okay, that then what will happen now? Then that dependency will add what? Jasper container in what? Our application now. Okay, so good. So what is that? What dependency we will add now, guys? Tomcat. The dependency name is what? Tomcat embedded Jasper, right? Tomcat what? Embedded Jasper. Okay, so we will add this dependency in our what? Pom.xml. We will add this pom dependency in what? Our pom.xml. Then what will happen now? Our GSP also will charge, and then our GSP will start to showing their talent now in our application. Okay, in our application, who's that? In our application, Ayodele, please mute yourself now. Okay, so what will happen now? Then our GSP page will become what? Energetic, and then GSP page will start their talent now. Okay, good. So what is that? To develop one application using GSP page, right? Using GSP view page, then what we will add? These two dependency. One dependency to work for what? MVC, and another for using what? MVC. What is that? GSP view page. View page for
GSP
that
purpose.
GSP purpose. What we are doing now? This dependency we are adding inside that now, guys. Okay, so good. So okay, so Apache embedded Tomcat comes with what is that? Serverlet container only, right? Serverlet container. But what is that? Like what? If we want to use what? GSP, then what is that? We have need to add this dependency now, guys. Okay, guys, so default port number. Okay, so if whenever we are developing, we don't have need to add what explicitly any what server. By default we will get what is the Tomcat server. Okay, by default we will get what? Tomcat server, and that Tomcat server by default port number is what? 8080. Now if you want to what? Put our own server, right? I'm sorry, our own port number. So for that, in the application property, what is there now? Server one tag is there, guys. Okay, key and value. What is that? Port equal to what? Then here we can take what is that? 9898, anything. If we want to choice to take our own port number, then what we will do? Take now this tag we will take, right? This tag, what is that? This tag we will use inside that application property now, guys. Okay, so this information we will put inside that what our application, then we can able to work it now, guys. Okay, so let's one understand what is that. Let's understand one what is that our project, what is that our project structure, right? What is that our project Maven structure, how we can where file, which file will be there and where, right? Where which file will be there now, guys. Okay, so then we will develop one application now. Okay, come on, are you ready now?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi, we are ready.
Till now
Yes, Ravi, ready.
till now anyone having any doubt now, guys?
No, Ravi.
No doubt, it's
No.
all
No
clear.
doubt.
Doubt, Ravi. No doubt.
Good,
It
good,
is
good.
clear. Let's
Don't
go
worry.
for practical.
In the application, I will explain again, guys. Okay, whenever I will make the request, right? Our Satish, whenever means after completing the session, right? We will take the name of Satish only, right? Satish will make the request. These things is happening now. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so now, but what is that? Let's understand what our project structure now, guys. Okay, so what is that? Just think about that. I'm taking what is that? My project. Now I'm taking one project, right? In the project, what is that? By default, whenever we will create the application, src, what mean? Src main, and what is that? Java. Src main and what? Java will be there. Now inside that, what is that? Whenever we are creating the application, right, at the time what will happen now? We are taking the package name now. So what I'm going to take now, rk controller, our own controller we are going to take, right? So controller, right? Controller, this is the package name. Inside that, what we are going to do now, our employee, just think about employee controller, we are going to write it. Employee controller, this is the Java class, right? This is the Java class only. After then what will happen now? Next one is, okay, come to another package, another folder, right? Which one is given by whom? Which one is given by whom? Our what is that? Our project only, right? Yes, src will be there. And what is that? src main, and what is that? Resources, right? Resources. Inside this resources, what file is there now, guys? Application property or not, guys? Come on.
Application dot properties file.
Application, yeah, good. Application dot
Properties.
properties, right? I'm missing you every time, Satish. Don't miss the session, okay? Because you know you are too active in the session, and whenever I'm listening your voice, now I'm getting the energetic, and I'm delivering the subject, okay? So good.
Actually, Ravi, yesterday my RM given me task. That's why I am
Okay,
unable to
no issue,
your
no,
session attend.
no issue, no
That's
issue. Okay, good. So
and
good.
the day before yesterday, I got also laptop from my organization. That's
Okay,
why.
good.
Yes.
No issue, Satish. Okay, but it's good only.
Yeah.
You are
Thank
means it's you know, you are denoting every time in the session, means what? You are listening the session very well. Okay, so
yeah.
this
Thank you so much.
okay, this expectation I need from you people, nothing more than else, guys. Okay, so good. Application dot properties is there, right? Okay, good. So now another one more folder is there now, guys. Another folder is there now. What? So src, right? Src. After then what is that? Inside that src main will be there, guys. Okay, main will be there. Okay, main will be there, main folder will be there. Okay, so from here onward, guys, okay, this structure we will get at the time of creating the application, web application. We will get what? This structure now, guys. Okay, so after the inside that, what we only create this folder, guys. Okay, we only web app. After then what we will do now? After then what? Web hyphen inf, right? Web hyphen inf. After then what is that? This folder we only create in the application, guys. Okay, after then what is that? Pages, right? Inside that pages we will take the what? Just think about that. Employee
JSP pages.
.jsp, right? Inside that JSP page. Okay, this is our what? Application folder structure now, guys. Okay, this is what? Our application structure, folder structure now. Good. Okay, so don't worry about that. I'm going to give the clarity, right? Just this is the okay now. Good. Okay, so this is what? Our folder, right? Our application folder. Okay, good. So here what? Here this is the folder now. Okay, good. So here another one is, this one is the another one is the, and good. Okay, this is what our application folder structure now, guys. Based on this one only we will work. Okay, we will work. Okay, here there is no additional things. There is no additional things like what is that whenever we are developing using what is in a string. Just think about that. Whenever we are developing using what is that, just a normal application, standalone application, we have need to create what is that, quick star, using quick star. And whenever we are using what is string MVC, at the time we have need to take what is that, quick star web, right? Then we can able to create what is that web application, right? Here no, just what is that, select only normal application. How we are creating the starter, we have need to create it. This folder will is create, and inside that what we will do now, guys, we will write the application now, guys. Okay, till now the things is clear now, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi, it's clear.
Yes, Ravi, it's clear.
Okay, guys. So let's do one things. Okay. Now near about what 2 hours is completed, guys. Okay. So let's take a small break, because then we will start what is that application. Okay. Till now the things is clear, right? So let's take one small break, and then we will do the practical. After then we will do the practical. Okay. Whoever missed the session, after that, for those people whatever till now the things is listen, those people the best. Okay, then best. Okay, because of that practical we will complete after what is that one small break, right?
Okay.
Okay, Ravi.
Okay, Ravi.
Break need na, guys, come on. If no,
Yes, Ravi.
break need, right? What about
Yeah.
others?
Yes.
It's depend. Yes, depends.
Yes, Ravi, it's need to break for, yeah.
Okay, good. Let's take walk. Okay, we will connect again. Mark 4:15, right? 4:15 means what is that? 10 12 minutes here, and what is that 15 minutes there. After what is that 25 minutes, guys. Okay, let's connect after 25 minutes. Means what?
Okay.
Okay, Ravi.
4:15. 4:15.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Okay, let's stop the session. We will connect after 15 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.